Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. As we are on the chapter extreme weather, and today we are going to do exercise A part 2 and B part 1. We have completed exercise A part 1, that is answer the following questions. And today we are going to do exercise A part 2, that is answer the following questions with reference to context. Challenge and while reading box given on page 51 and 52 completed by yourself. Here are two boxes given to you on page number 51 while reading, and on page number 52 is a challenge. You have to read out about these questions and then complete these questions by yourself. Okay, reference to the context. The landscape is so arid that scientists are very interested in studying it because it is a place on Earth that is most similar to the conditions on the planet Mars. Question A is, what does arid means? Answer is dry with little or no rain, too dry or barren to support vegetation. Question B, which place is being described here? Answer is the dry valleys of Antarctica. Question C, why might it surprise people to learn that there is a desert here? Answer C is people think of Antarctica as a full of snow and ice, frozen water. Okay, our next exercise, that is exercise B, working with the words, part 1. Read the sentences below and then match the idioms in bold with the correct meaning. Here are some sentences given to you, and below these sentences there are some meanings of these idioms given to you, and you have to write down the correct meaning of these idioms in front of the sentences. First you have to copy down the sentence and then write down the bold idiom and then its answer. So the first one is under the water. Number second, not feeling well. Under the water is bold in your first sentence, and in the meanings, not feeling well is the correct answer for the part A. B, as right as rain. 6, to feel fine and healthy. Part B is as right as rain, and its correct meaning is on number 6, that is to feel fine and healthy. Similarly, C, head in the clouds, so its correct meaning is 4, to be out of touch of reality, to have ideas that may not be sensible or practical. D, stole my thunder, so its answer is 10, when someone takes attention away from someone else. E, snowed under, and its answer is on number 7, to have so much to do that you are having trouble doing it all. F, broke the ice, its answer is on 9, to say or do something to make someone feel relaxed or at ease in social setting. Number G, was a breeze, to be very easy to do. Number H, take a rain check, decline something now but offer to do it at a later date. Number I, the calm before the storm, the quiet, peaceful period before a moment of great activity or mayhem. Number J, put on ice, to postpone for another day. Okay, students, you have to write down the sentences first and then write down the correct meaning and bold idioms below the sentences. If you still have any confusion, you can ask in the group. Make sure to write down the questions as well and then write down their answers.